Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and when I'm flossing my teeth, I love to use this TUREWELL Water Teeth Flosser. This thing is so amazing. It's one way that I love to do a lot of things. It has so many different attachments. So this actually has a toothbrush on it. It actually has a tongue cleaner on it. It has a lot of attachments. And I like the fact that it has 3 different color water pressures. So not everyone has to use the same one. We each have our own color. There's pink, green, and blue. And then it does come with all the different attachments. It's super easy to use. You plug it in, you simply just fill it up with the water, and then it's got this cord on the side here. This is where you're going to put your attachments, and then it does have 10 different levels of water pressure, so you can go by your own comfort of the water coming out of the spout. You literally take it off the handle. It has a cord that can stretch right to your sink, and then you start to floss your teeth with your wonderful water flosser. I absolutely love this. Now it's how I floss my teeth all the time. It's just something very simple in my routine on the day. That's just my point of view.